In a bowl, I have 1 whole egg and 2 egg yolks with 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Mix them together with a whisker. Then combine eggs with the flour. 2.5 cups all-purpose flour. Then use your hands to mix. Then make a hole in the center and drop your 1/2 cup of water. Knead until everything gets smooth. Maybe this would take like 15 minutes of kneading. While I'm preparing my dough for our noodles, I already boiled the chicken thighs with salt and pepper and bay leaf. We have to make it tender because after this, we will be making pancit guisado or stir-fried noodles. You don't have to buy your pancit in the store. You can just make it yourself, especially when you want it made in your house with your loved ones to eat and enjoy. Then I have to rest the dough while I'm away. I'm going to attend the meeting. So when I come back after 3 hours, I will work on the noodles. After 3 hours, I'm back. Cut your dough into four and work on the fourth. Flatten it and put a lot of flour so your dough won't stick to each other. Make it thin, and it depends on how thick you want your pancit. So just do it the way you see it in this video. This is the easiest way of making our pancit. Unlike the ones you see in other videos, they stretch and stretch and stretch. But this one, we just have to fold the dough and then cut them according to our preference of thickness. Once all the dough are cut, next we have to fluff them. Make sure each strand don't stick to each other. Let's start our pancit guisado. In the pan, I have oil and then the cut up chicken thighs. I have to make it brown. I didn't put salt and pepper here anymore because when I boiled it, it has already in it. And then put the onions and the garlic and make it brown until you smell the aroma of what you are cooking. Make sure it's not burned, so don't leave the kitchen. This will be quick because everything is already cooked. Then add a soy sauce and stir. Smells good now, so we have to add our cut up cabbage and carrots, followed by our noodles, followed by the broth of the chicken we boiled. So we can mix them well and adjust the seasoning. So this is the time when we have to add the salt and pepper. Looks like our pancit is ready. See, you can make this at home. You don't need to buy your pancit in the store. Always fresh. Then we have to garnish with scallions and serve and enjoy. See you next time. Bye.